huge ice storm coming my way. You're also coming home with me? This is gorge. Oh my gosh. Hello, good morning girl. We're about to go do a little bit of thrifting, but I just checked the mail and I have 2 little packages, so I figured let's open them together. Look how pretty this packaging is. Let's start with this one. I ordered this from Depop. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. This is so me. She wrapped it and this stunning tissue paper. Hello, that is going in my junk journal immediately. The cutest little note. I love that. Look how stunning. I think we're gonna wear her today. She's so cute. I think this is a microphone. Let's see. TikTok shop got me with this one, okay? The girl posted a really good review and I could have sworn I got a pink one. If this is not pink, I'm suing a little bit. You guys tell me, is it pink? I think I just plug this in here. And then do I just talk? Like, can you guys hear me? What's it sound like? Does it sound like supreme quality? Okay, there's no better feeling than impulsively buying something and loving it. I love that. I love that. I'm sure you're like, Holly, what is all of that in the back of your car? Well, I had a Whatnot show yesterday, so we have a lot of orders to drop off at the post office. We are at the post office right now, so let's go drop them off really quick. That is done. Yay, that is always such a good feeling. We're here. We're at Goodwill, the first location, you guys. I kind of went against my own rule. Okay, so normally I know where I'm gonna go thrifting. I'll plan it beforehand and like I stick to it. Follow the plan, not the mood, right? And it always works out. But today I'm running a little bit behind schedule and like I'm running a little late. Like it's like 12 o'clock already and I wanted to drive 45 minutes to another town to go thrifting, and I'm just like, maybe I'll just stop at the one in my town. So I'm a little nervous. Hopefully it works out. The parking lot is extremely full and extremely packed. There is a huge ice storm coming my way, and so I'm trying to prep a little bit and get some inventory in case I do get like snowed in or iced in or whatever and I can't leave my house. I'll still have stuff to post. You know where we're going first. The purses.
Saw you paint a picture of a face.
This is so cute. It's like a slouchy indie sleeve sweater. I love.
I shouldn't be enough, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I give you the world like I promised.
White baby doll.
Even though you wouldn't do the same.
You know the drill. Let's check out the kids section really quickly.
I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.
Okay, girl, that was low-key more successful than I thought. The purple cachet top and then that like grungy beige top with the cool design on it were definitely my favorite finds in there. We're gonna hit definitely one more, maybe 2 more. Hello. Okay, I don't know what is going on, but the past few times I've been to this thrift store, I cannot find anything. So I left empty-handed. I did, but it's okay. We're on to the next one. And this one did not do me dirty, girl. The very first thing I saw when I walked in was this gorgeous little skull sweater, but you guessed it, it was Shein. I should have known. Still cute though. Cute little cami. Wait. I feel like that kind of eats. One of these little hats, that's cute. Someone's entire hat collection is over here. Okay, wait, because why did I just find like so many of these? And I know these are really popular right now because Miss Lily Claire. This is kind of a cute little baby tea, cherry Coke. I don't know if it's really cute, but I do like the cherries. This could be cute, like a little grunge moment. Okay, I actually love this Hello Kitty. She's like a little bit of a grungy Hello Kitty. Wait, because this is kind of cute, like the crowns, and it's like a Henley material. Maybe. Okay, wait, this is cute and so perfect for the spring. And it has little buttons. Oh my gosh. Divas. Don't mind if I do. These tops with like the 3 little buttons, they always do so good for me. And I feel like this color is really good for the spring. Look at this tag. And look at these little flowers. Is it missing a button though? Oh no, it is missing a button. This is giving an initial purse. It is. I literally have this exact one at home in a J. Should I get her? Oh my gosh, Diva. This is. I'm gagged. That's an incredible find. You guys, I think this is so cute and girly. I love that. I love little earring pieces like this. So perfect and cute. Okay, I'm definitely getting this. It's vintage Charlotte Russe fossil. This is gorgeous, and it's dead stock. Okay, let's try on these hands. Shut the freaking heck up. I love that. Okay, yes, you're coming home with me. You're also coming home with me. Do you see how freaking adorable that is? I love the fur. Such a good coat. I love the brand Union Bay, and I low-key think this one is so cute. So I think I'm gonna get her. I thought this was fun, but now I'm questioning my thoughts. The star of the show. Literally the star of the show. You're joking. Hey girl, it's the next day. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining outside. And I drove to the little town over that I was talking about yesterday. And we're at the Goodwill. We're about to go do some thrifting. I have actually never seen the parking lot so empty. The ice storm is coming tomorrow, so everyone is probably like inside prepping, and I'm thrifting. And to be honest with you, my priorities could not be straighter. So let's go inside, see what we can find. Hopefully we find some good stuff. I kind of have a good feeling about this. Okay, immediately, how gorgeous is this scarf? Ooh. This one is so cute and fun and colorful and whimsy. Yes.
Another love, show me
you've tried, and daily I'm nearly dying, hoping you'll change for me. Lay down your armor, lay down your pride. You're not in love with me, only how I make you feel. You don't know how real love tastes. You never learned to give just how to take. No, you're not in love with me. Maybe you believed it too, but love don't hurt the way it does. I really thought you'd be the one to.
Hello? Baby doll, striped baby doll. Oh my gosh. I love these. They're so like chic. $40. This is cute. It's a little swivel. Oh, I thought it was a swivel lamp. I actually am looking for a pink lampshade. It's a cute little lamp. So if y'all see a pink lampshade, let it go now. The furniture here, I've already been looking at it. This is gorge. Freaking gorgeous. And this is too. If only I needed it. Little pink radio. I wonder if I need this for the ice storm. Look at how stocked this Goodwill is. Like all of this is just so full. This is so cute. Teapots, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Even this one is so stunning. Wait, and look at this one. I simply don't have anywhere to put any of this. You guys, I just went through my cart. I'm getting all of this. Out of everything in my cart, I only put 4 things back. I took all the hangers off and now we're going to check out. Okay, girl, that was low-key a success. I told you. I just felt like I needed to come here. And one thing I've learned is when the thrift calls, you answer. We have one more I'm going to go to. It's literally right across the street. And then we're going to go home. And then I'm going to get some food on my way home because I'm starving. That's kind of pretty. Gorge. The inside lining, oh my gosh. That's gorge. That thrift store has like a points loyalty system, and so I had my little punch card filled and I got a $25 discount. So period, that's so cool. Low-key, I found some gems in there, but now we are headed home, so I'll see you when we get home. Bye. Just filled up the tank for the winter storm, and I'm gonna go in Dollar General and get coffee creamer because that is my version of prepping for the winter storm. I'm almost out and I just don't think I can be without coffee creamer for 2 weeks. I don't know if Dollar General is gonna have coffee creamer, but I would rather go in here than go in Walmart and wait 30 minutes to check out with 1 bottle of coffee creamer because I live in the South, okay? And everyone and their mama is at the grocery store right now. That's why the thrift stores were empty. You guys, they have coffee creamer. Frosted sugar cookie, peppermint mocha, no thanks. No thanks, no thanks. I think I'm just gonna go with French vanilla.